Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we will be installing the Walker Evans rear shocks, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So basic tools you will need: socket for the lug nut, a 17mm socket, 17mm ratcheting wrench, a ratchet, Walker Evans rear shocks, and then we have the house tuning brackets here, and this is what's going to hold these in place. I'll show you how we do that. First things first, you're going to want to remove your wheel. You don't have to, it makes things a lot easier. So I'm going to remove my wheel, and we will be removing this nut and bolt and this nut and bolt, and get these stock shocks out of the way, get the new ones bolted up. Okay, so stock shock is removed. A little something I want to go over again here. You see how much thicker this is compared to this. So Walker Evans provides these bushings. Simply pop in there, and pop in there. And that equals that. So now let's install the rear Walker Evans shock. Alright guys, let me explain a little bit about what's going on here. Shock is installed, bolts right up very nicely. Walker Evans did an absolute amazing job. They also fixed the ID of the bushing where the bolt actually slides through with no resistance, no problems. I know before that those were tight and people were having to drill those out. Well, not anymore. Next is this bracket here. What you're going to want to do is remove the bed mount bolt. And this is going to bolt right there, tucked out of the way really nicely. I have to get a longer bolt for that. The factory one comes up a little bit short, being that the bracket is a little thicker. But all in all, that's going to work really nice. It'll be up out of the way. You can get right to your knobs to adjust. So I'll get a bolt put back in there, show you guys the aftermath. Alright y'all, Walker Evans rear shock install complete. Show you guys a little bit what I did here. That's the bed mounts. Just get a longer bolt, and man, that works out really nicely. I'm not sure about this sticking out here. I might actually wrap that through here and go back up, but we're going to try it for now and see how it performs. But yeah, easy to get to adjust. Everything's out of the way. Nice rubber, ain't bouncing around. I did not measure the ground clearance, which I don't really think that's going to change. And they're set all the way up. So, gonna get ready to go test them out, see how much of a difference it makes from stock factory ride, and then I'll give you guys an update after I try them out. Shock update. What a difference. I really wasn't sure at first, But man, after riding it out here in these trails and going down a few of these roads, some spots that I would usually brace up, kind of get ready to hit, didn't even have to do that this time. I mean, unbelievable difference. So much smoother, comfortable ride. This one's adjusted almost all the way down. I'm actually going to bring that up about halfway, kind of give it a little bit smoother of a ride up front. But man, from stock to this, definitely worth $1,000. Like I said, I wasn't sure at first when I ordered them I was gonna see that big of a difference for $1,000, but it was. Walker Evans, if you don't have them, I suggest you get them. Be one of the best mods you've ever done to your P5. I just want to let you guys know how I felt about it, and I recommend you get a set. If you guys like what you seen, you like the reviews, kind of thought it was informational, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, we'll see y'all on the trail.